Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Vidya Nirman, which is helpful for CBSE, ICSE and state students. In physics, we have different number of branches. One branch is mechanics. This has been divided into two branches, kinematics and dynamics. Kinematics. This is a branch of physics. It deals with the motion of an object without considering the cause of motion. The second branch is dynamics. This is a branch of physics. It describes the motion of an object along with its cause of motion and properties. So in kinematics, two words are most important. They depends upon the position of the object. First one is the rest, second one is the motion. Definition of rest. If the position of the object does not changes with time and surroundings, then the object is said to be at rest. Examples of rest. A book it is on the table, mountains and all parking vehicles, and we have so many examples for rest. Next, the term is motion. If the position of an object changes with the time and surroundings, then the object is said to be under motion. Example, water flowing in a river, all moving vehicles. These are all examples for the objects in motion. Rest and motion. These two are the relative terms and these two depend upon the frame of reference. The next topic is the types of motion. Generally, it is available in three types. First one is the motion in one dimension. Examples the motion of a bike, the motion of a car, which are moving on the road. These are all example for motion in one dimension. The second one is the motion in two dimensions. Example is a ball thrown into the air and motion of a frog. Third is motion in three dimensions. For this, the example is motion of butterfly. So the present chapter, motion in a straight line, is come under purely one-dimensional motion. Here, the following are some parameters which helpful to us about the explanation of the motion of an object. The parameters are the distance, displacement, velocity, speed, acceleration, and time. Students, we need to learn about all these terms, definitions, and their formulas, which are helpful to us in problems. Okay, these six parameters gives complete analysis about the motion of an object in one dimension motion. Number one, definition of distance. Distance is nothing but the total length of the path actually traveled by an object. It is called the distance. I am repeating, the total length of that path is called distance. Distance is always measured in SI system. Units are meters, and in CD system, the units are centimeters. Distance is a scalar physical quantity. Second, definition of the displacement. The shortest distance between the initial point and final point of the journey is called displacement. I am repeating, the shortest distance between the initial and final points of the journey of an object is called displacement. Displacement it is denoted by letter x bar or s bar. SI units are meters and CGS units are centimeters. Displacement is a vector physical quantity. So the change in displacement, the formula is delta x bar is equals to x2 minus x1.